Hi, it's the 28th of January, 2026. I'm Daniel Parsons, and I am a Life Farm independent business owner since 2022. And so I want to quickly give you an overview of this incredible grounding technology in the CELLNERGY FooTcharge device. And so it comes with this remote control, and you can set the 6 different modes, and you can control the heat setting and see how thin that is. This came in my backpack in my carry-on luggage. I'm shooting this video in the southern part of Chile, where it's summer right now. And so I'm going to go on screen share. And my Life Farm ID, that's simply the badge that the corporate office gave us when we were on the Mediterranean cruise back in 2024. And so here we go on screen share and media viewer. I want to hide this, and let's start this one over.
Reflexology. There's a reason these practices
one.
focus on your feet.
Let me go to the other video.
What if you could regenerate from the ground up? With CELLNERGY FooTcharge, you can boost circulation, support nerve to muscle communication, and fight fatigue. Here's how to use it. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds and place both feet on the foot pads. Next, grab the remote control and press the M button to switch between the 6 smart modes your body may need. The 6 modes are relax, knead, tap, squeeze, pulse, and strength. You can also select from 10 intensity levels using the plus and minus buttons. Start low and move up the intensity to what feels best for you. To adjust the 2 heat settings, use the temperature icon on the remote. Then just sit back, relax, and use the CELLNERGY FooTcharge for about 10 minutes a day. Get your CELLNERGY FooTcharge today and step into regeneration.
Okay, so let's go off of screen share, stop sharing. And this device is affordable for most of the world. And so it's available all over the world. There's just a couple of countries where there's some political turmoil going on and things. But most of the world, you can order this. If you want to reach me on Telegram, go back to just my name here, t.me/Daniel Parsons. And so I also have my Chile phone with me up until the middle of February. Down here in Chile, it's just t.me/Daniel in Chile. And you can ring me on that phone even when I'm out walking around town here. And so I'm headed to Europe in the middle of February. And so I will be back in the United States in early March. So to get this device, you can go to mylifefarm.com/Daniel. And if you have any problems whatsoever, reach me. We have an excellent customer service support staff based in California since 2011. So Life Farm's entering 15 years of business. And so if you're interested in the business opportunity of Life Farm, those are very important proponents or functions of any business, is to have excellent customer service. So that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoy your Life Farm CELLNERGY FooTcharge device. Bye for now.